What is up guys, this is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. Something interesting, MIUI 12 Razer mode for Redmi Note 8 users. If you are using Redmi Note 8, this one is a ported ROM for you, and if you are using Redmi Note 7, then this ROM is also available for your device. Also, I ported this ROM from Lavender to Redmi Note 8 Gingo. If you're using Redmi Note 8, this one is a ported ROM by me, MIUI 12.3 by Razer at 20.12.2 beta version. You can see some changes here. The ROM is looking quite great, and this is super duper smooth ROM I have ever used. Soft was one of the perfect ROMs out there in the terms of smoothness, and maybe this ROM is not too far away. This ROM is quite good. I'm using from some time, full screen gestures and multitasking. Everything seems to be working great. Which are things you get here? Let's get started. Guys, the ROM which we're talking about right now is MIUI 12.3 by Razer at 20.12.2 beta version, which is ported by me for Redmi Note 8 users, device maintainer. If you go to all specs, we have this latest December security patch, and yes, this is based on Android version 10 as expected. You can use this build on your device. The things which I loved about this build: does not come with many customization, does not come with any bloatware. You can see here not a single bloatware at all. You can install all those apps manually, and if you're seeing these icons are inspired from Magisk ROM. If you've ever used Magisk, then you already got to know that these icons are inspired from the Magisk ROM and looking really impressive here. If you go for the theme store as expected is in the Chinese. You can install third-party themes also if you want to, or you can simply use the themes in the theme store. Move into my account, and here we have the option of themes where you can simply import the third-party themes if you want to. The default theme is looking kind of great. As you can see, this is the default theme. Some screenshots. If you go for a control center, we have these fonts are themed here. Fonts actually changed, and even the colors are there. This is a red Asian color everywhere, so something interesting here too. Let me show you one more thing, some interesting things about this custom ROM. The latest new interested looking power menu, which is of course you can customize in settings. Like if you want to enable the extended power menu, then this menu will not work. You will see different power menu. And also if you see your new volume keys, yes, the new volume keys are working fine here. New volume panel, everything seems to be same here. New here, something different here. Going for the settings, here we have all these fonts. As I previously told you, fonts are changed here. If you go for customizations, if you go to the display, we have the option of choosing the DPI, which is default is 392. You can adjust if you want to. These options you don't get in the stock MIUI 12 or any other all custom MIUI 12 based ROMs. Also, let me show you one more thing. If you go for your notifications and control center and going for the notification shade, we have the option choosing the show top notification, show weather info, and expand top info top notification. You can also customize the notification style to MIUI or Android style notifications. Control center style, which you can customize of course, and also you can switch the control center side if you want to. In my case, I'm using the control center, which is working really smooth here. As I previously told you, this is very fine, and you can see the new latest recent options is available here too. And yes, the ROM is honestly quite fast. You can see here full screen gestures are working super duper fine here. The ROM is working quite great. Didn't got any single lag yet. Even full screen gestures are working fine. You can see even if you choose the multitasking like this one, I'll be able to do multitasking without any issues. This is super duper perfect, and this is, in my case, I'm using Redmi Note 8 with only 4 GB of RAM variant. Then this is quite good. You can see I'm using the live wallpaper, which is looking really impressive. You can simply move into settings and wallpapers, and if you go for the system wallpapers, these are some dynamic gamer wallpapers like this. This is the latest ROG wallpaper. This one is the wallpaper which I've applied so far. This is another something interesting looking wallpaper. These are the wallpapers which you get pre-installed. Also has the Razer wallpapers which looking really impressive, like this one, whichever wallpaper you love to choose, you can choose those kind of things. A lot of interesting things are available about this build. You should definitely give this ROM a try. The link for this ROM is in the description. You can simply install this if you want to. Other thing seems to be same here. Let me show you one thing. I have installed the Magisk v20.3 version like this one. You can use the Magisk 20.4, Magisk 21 also, maybe if it is working or not, but I'm using Magisk 20.3 and my SafeNet status is pass, which means I'll be able to use the banking apps. This was passing. I just tried something else, that's why it's not passing, but by default if you use this, the SafeNet status will be passed, or also if you still your safety status is not passing for you, simply go to your settings. You can choose the Magisk hide, and also you can simply install the module called hide Magisk props config. If you don't know how to pass the safety net, I have a video on that. Make sure to check out that one so that you'll be able to pass the safety net and start using banking apps. All these things seems to be working fine here. Didn't got any major issues. You can install this ROM if you want to. The link for this build is in the description. This was all from today's video. I hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget to like and share this video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe me. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.